today I'll be introducing you to this Melodiana Bambino piano accordion. On the treble side we have 25 keys and 2 sets of reeds, both middles. On the left hand side we have 12 buttons and 3 sets of reeds.